Hi guys, here's a quick way how you can clean your Windows PC. Now for that, go to the Start menu and type Run. Open this and first type %temp%, then OK. And delete all these files. Ctrl+A and Shift delete. Yes, if some files cannot be deleted, you can simply ignore it. So this is done. After that, again go to Start menu and type Run. And type Software Distribution. OK. And you can delete this all. Ctrl+A and delete. Yes. Continue. So this one is also done. Let me close this. After that, open this PC, go to C drive and go to Windows and go to Downloaded Program Files. And you can delete the files here as well. I've already deleted it. Once this is done, again go to Start menu, type Disk Cleanup. So here is it. And you can click OK and delete. This is also done. Again open the Start menu and open Disk Cleanup. And this time click on Clean Up System Files. And then click on OK and delete files. So this is also done. And now finally go to the Start menu and search for Storage Settings. This is the one. Open it and click on these temporary files. And here, this is the download folder, so be very careful before deleting this. And this is a recycle bin. You can delete other files, but we have already cleaned up many temporary files. So this is how you can clean your Windows PC. Thank you very much.